The church is not a man-made institution.
Ibandla ke alakhiwa umuntu akuyona into yakhiwa umuntu.
It does not operate on natural laws
Alisebenzi ngemithetho yemvelo
or religious forms.
noma imithetho yenkolo.
It operates on spiritual laws
Isebenza ngomthetho kamoya
and function in a supernatural power.
isebenza ngamandla amakhulu aphezulu.
Okumangalisayo ukuthi lamandla mayesebenza
What is amazing is that when this power is at work,
awanandaba nemfundo.
it doesn't care about your education.
Lamandla mayesebenza
When this power is at work,
awanandaba ne-background yakho.
it doesn't worry, it doesn't care about la uqhamuka khona.
That is why kusebandleni likaJesu kuphela
Ingakho it is only in the church of Jesus
lapho sikwazi ukukhonzana khona. Khona ngifuna ukuyibeka.
Yeah, I want to say something.
La sikwazi ukukhonzana khona noma ngabe kuthiwa ngivela kwaNdlwana.
Where we can serve each other, even if I'm coming from a poor background.
But uma nje ngine experience ye Pentecost,
If nginolwazi lwe-Pentecost,
ngiyafitha.
ngiyangena,
I can be a servant.
ngingaba umsayisebenzi.
Ngoba uthe uJesu bafundi bakhe,
Because Jesus said to his disciples,
hlalani emzini
stay in Jerusalem
nize nembatha amandla.
until you are clothed with power.